and welcome. Today we are going to Lake Towada and Oirase Gorge. Lake Towada is the largest crater lake in Honshu. This water reservoir is located between the prefectures of Aomori and Akita. It is 400 meters above sea level and 327 meters deep, and it's drained by the Oirase River. Lake Towada has a surface of approximately 61 square kilometers and is Japan's 12th largest lake. The name of the lake is believed to derive from the Ainu word Watara, literally meaning rocky lake. This is the little town of Kosaka. It looks like any other town in Japan. We are staying at the Prince Hotel. Lake Towada is drained by the Oirase Gorge, which is a very popular destination, and actually there are bus tours going to the end of the station, and then you can walk all the way back to Lake Towada. And when we drove, but I had the feeling we go uphill, but no, as I said before, the lake is drained by the Oirase Gorge. This is the Michi-no-eki Oirase Gorge. This is where you start your trekking back to Lake Towada, and there is also a sign warning of bears. Inside the building there are these beautiful photographs, and there is a map detailing all the points of the trek going back. Plus these beautiful decorations, I just love them. Look at this little tree and the lamps and these moose balls with eyes, really cute.
ほら。暗いね。ダークだ。これいいね。
In olden days, or let's say if you are more familiar with the history of Japan, during the Heian and Kamakura period, which, by the way, Kamakura is close, approximately an hour from Tokyo, this area was just wild. Nobody lived there. It was a place where you pray and for yamabushi. Yamabushi are basically Japanese ascetic hermits. I do not know so much about it. And this video concludes also my northwestern Japan itinerary. You can find at this link my itinerary and all videos to it. And I hope it helps you for your next travel planning here in Japan. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the little like button, and I see you next Thursday again. Bye!